Hey you all, Carpetbagger here, coming to you live from the great state of Oklahoma, more specifically Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and even more specifically than that, I am in front of Factory Obscura. This is an immersive art environment. You see some of these popping up in different cities around the country. It's almost a new wave of roadside attraction that I'm quite a huge fan of. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what is inside here at Factory Obscura. It looks very, very promising. So please follow me. See some of the art on the outside, these robots spewing streamers out of their chests, creating one giant streamer ball. See down here they have this giant boom box. Let's see it, pulsating sound. And then when we look in the window here, some interesting characters. This lemon man right here. Look at that roller skate. That almost like fish-like roller skate. This is rainbow creature. Some sort of heart man. And a flying starfish creature. Oh, look up here. That rain cloud. You see cars driving over the hill right there. Alright, this experience is based on the idea of receiving a mixtape. You can see from the mixtape right there, and we enter through this rather large ear canal. So let's head in. Oh wow. Just kind of taking everything in, a lot of details. The tricycle, the jump ropes, furry wall right there. Little caverns right here. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh! We have pink flamingos all on the inside here, flashing. Oh, wow. Oh, this is amazing. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Let's see what's in this area right here. Oh, look at the ceiling. You can climb up here. See this furry heart. Look down on the room here. Now, as of the recording of this video, they have just very recently reopened from the lockdown. So I actually am in here completely by myself. Chair, I guess, is a kite, almost like a reverse kite. You look up to the sky, you can see all the little birds flying above. Oh, look at that big hawk right there. It looks like this is a little non-linear right here. You go that way, that way. I think we're gonna take this path. So we enter the Cityscape, graffiti and signs posted on the wall. Oh, this cat is missing. Of course, the cat has no eyes, it just has a giant mouth and a tongue. So there's ants walking along. Should we open the trash can? Oh, look at that trash. What's that say? Trash has lots of smells. During rain, it gets way worse. Put a lid on it. Oh, there's a little rat having a trash feast in there. I have a little skunk down there drinking a beer. Oh, then look here. I think this is like a little disco for mice. Look at that. I'm not really sure what that is. Like a sort of insect. You can see the projections being placed on it. Over here there's a bottom of a slide. I didn't see where you could get in the slide, but let's see what's up inside. These little windows right here. See those magnificent little sea creatures. Oh, some little fuzzy monster. Okay, I wonder where this will take us. Little portholes here. There's a butterfly. Ceiling's getting a little low. Having to crawl my hands and knees, and this is like white astroturf. All right. Yeah. Oh, it's getting a little narrow in here. A little claustrophobic. Pretty much army crawling at this point. Down this hole. It's like a bottomless pit of colors. And there's the slide. So let's go down the slide. Alright, the slide's a little small, but I think I can get down it without getting wedged. So, oh, there you go. Let's turn to my camera. Oh. Okay, now I don't know. I think I might have just got Winnie the Pooh'd. Alright. Remain calm. I just flipped over on my belly. And there we go. Another little relaxation pod right there that you can enter. Some more of the ocean-inspired landscape. Alright, heading into here. I don't know, which way should we go? Seems like we're maybe in like an underground area. I can see turnips sticking out of the wall, root vegetables. And there you can see a little carrot man and a potato man having a conversation. Pile of objects right there. Some sunglasses, it's a sheriff's badge, a VHS tape. And this hallway is made entirely out of books. See popcorn, cotton candy, and funnel cakes. So we head into this tunnel right here. Ooh, I love this. The different stuffed animals lining the tunnel. Oh, I got like a little bedroom in here. Very, very tiny bed. See a dresser right here. Oh, can pull that out. See the Yo MTV Raps trading card. Some math homework. What's this? Oh. 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 Okay, I guess every button plays a different song. Oh no, it's glowing under the bed here. Oh, let's take a look under the bed. There's different toys. Some old pizza. And look at that TV. It's got a Matrix VHS tape, some baby doll heads, flip phone. I literally own this cat right here. Interesting story. I actually found it in the old Rage Room at Arx Mortis that Tristan was running. That was the one thing I didn't want to smash. That little kitten right there. Now I have it at home. Continue on through these tunnels. That looks like a giant bat. There seems to be some Valentines plastering the wall. So we'll enter this central room here. Middle of the entire. Oh my gosh, that is so weird. Look at that. It's a carousel. Look at the figures. Ooh, that might be one of my favorite things here. And let's look up. We can see the sky peeking through. There's a closet area in here. See the suitcases. The old clothes plastering the walls. Stepping out here. So we actually have a staircase going up. Caution, big stairs. Are these bigger than normal? What's over there? Alright, going into a crawl again. What is Lemon Star Zero? Alright, this button shoots. These are some of the characters from the window out front. Let's start blasting. It's like an old space shooter type game. Uh-oh, I think I perished. Oh no, game over. Very large shoe right there. thank you for joining me here at Factory Obscura here in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Love these immersive art environments. This has a very unique tone to it, a very music-based, audio-based experience with the different sounds incorporated with the different rooms. Definitely love this, and I would definitely recommend anyone in the Oklahoma City area to stop by and check this out. If you'd like to see other places I've been, please check the interactive map in the description of this video. It'll tell you all the different places I've been, and you can tell me where I need to go next. Also, if you'd like to help support the channel, consider buying an enamel pin. Consider donating to Patreon. A $3 or more donation will get you a postcard once a month. Until next time, this one's in the bag.